InfraBren.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
There you go. Wing on, get your wing on.
Oh God, yeah?
You clowning, man. Clowning. You clowning big time.
Oh God, baby! Anal?
Oh, okay. Okay. Call me later.
All right, man.
All right.
Stop it! What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just taking selfies.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's Selfie Sunday. Yeah. Do you do Instagram?
No.
No?
No.
You wouldn't understand. Oh yeah?
Alright.
Oh God, yeah? Oh, baby. This morning I put like $50 worth of quarters up my ass.
Really?
Yeah.
And you're still talking?
Well,
$50 worth of quarters?
yeah. You know, if I were to go over there, how many times I would have to walk around that thing before something happens?
What do you mean?
Like if I were to walk over to that pole, like how many times would I have to circle around it
No.
before I get to it?
No?
What?
No idea, dude. Sorry.
Like, so I don't know if I'm explaining myself right. Like if I were to go over there and walk from here to here, how would I get to go around? Like how many times would I have to go around?
How many times would you have to go around to do what?
Like a walk around
The pole
the pole
to equal the distance here in the pole? What?
when
I'm not understanding you. Sorry, dude. I don't know what you're trying to say. All right, have a good day, dude.
flip me over, yeah?
Actually at the phone.
I'm so wet.
You got a lot of hickeys on your neck, dude.
Oh my God.
Fresh Prince, huh?
Yeah. In West Philadelphia, born and raised.
That's right.
Hell yeah.
The Hillbillies got food and gravy.
Oh yeah.
It's all good.
All right, man. Catch you later.
You say,
Yeah, keep it on the. Yeah.
You really don't hurt yourself.
All right, man.
Really don't hurt yourself.
Yeah, no, I
Get in
won't.
trouble.
I won't. Okay.
You say that's some good Molly? Yeah.
I'm wearing a wire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Makes
Nice.
sense.
You understand?
Makes
No.
sense. Yeah.
Don't get it.
Fuck water. We played sports over here? Yeah. I like sports.